Might want to cut too coarse. This knife is too sharp.
It's too sharp.
But that's basically it. I mean, that's all you have to do. And then you just make the cuts with the...
You can't even tell the difference between the two.
You can't. And when you cook them, you're not going to tell them either because they're both white, sweet, and mild.
Nice.
That's it. And I'll tell you what, this is some knife.
Awesome. All right, so you just saw Captain Expert Paul show you how to fillet those two fish up nice and easy. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to do the same exact thing he did. So let's join Puddin' in the kitchen right now for an epic meal. I'm so excited.
Another great job, Dorsal, filleting those little teeny baby fishes, croakers and whiting. And welcome, guys, to another edition of Cooking with Puddin'. And I'm literally in the middle of cooking these croaker and whiting little fillets. And we're doing something a little different today. We are going to make little slider sandwiches. And two reasons. One is, I don't know if you guys knew or not, but up in Long Island and also in Florida, I was a deli man. So I love sandwiches. I worked in delis for like 6 years. I could slay on the slicer, make any kind of sandwich. And that's why I love sandwiches. But also, Captain Paul gave us this recipe, and he tells us that this is George Poveromo's, one of his favorite sandwiches, one of his favorite things to eat. He loves this type of fish. And if you don't know who George Poveromo is, he's a famous fisherman. He's got a show forever on television. And he has a seminar series, a very popular seminar series. And Paul, Captain Paul, who he just fished with, is like a regular on that series. And he teaches people all about surf fishing and pompano and